Next question from Rajesh. He's tweeted in, wants to know which banks provide an overdraft home loan. You know, Kartik, before you take the question, I would want you to take a minute and explain what exactly is an overdraft home loan, because this is a very interesting product, and I'm sure a lot of viewers would be interested to know what exactly this is and how it will help them.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, don't get startled by what overdraft home loan means. It's actually the technical name. And the brand names for a lot of these products are, for example, SBI calls it Banksgate, somebody else calls it Home Saver, somebody else calls it Smart Home Loan, or, there are lots of names by which these products are known. Now, essentially, it's a very interesting product. It's quite a lovely little innovation that has happened many years ago. It's been in the market for quite a while. What this loan does is, of course, you get your home loan like your usual loan. Now, along with this loan, you have a overdraft account, or what is known as a current account, which is sort of linked to this account. The amount of money that you place in your current account, it could be any money. It could be, for example, you start using from your ordinary savings account, you start shifting onto this current account. So when you shift to this current account, when you're doing your regular routine things, you get your salary into this current account, you spend, you withdraw money from the ATM, all of that is permitted. It's absolutely identical. Just that whatever is the balance in this current account at the end of the day is deducted and considered as a partial prepayment of your loan. So to give you an example, if your loan is 1 crore and for the end of the day in your bank account, if you have, let's say, 1 lakh rupees, so the interest calculation for that day would be 1 crore minus your bank balance of 1 lakh rupees, and therefore you will be charged interest on 99 lakhs. Fabulous way to save lakhs of rupees on interest. So it's a fantastic product. It's great. Some people think it's a little bit of a flip-sided thing because the cost of this loan product is a little higher, but little higher in the sense it's probably about 20 basis points, which is 0.2% approximately. It could be 0.15, could be 0.25. The market's dynamic, the rate keeps changing all the time. So that's the difference between the rate of interest between your traditional products and these kind of OD kind of products, or overdraft home loan accounts. So it's a fantastic thing. Let's say you've made some profit in the stock market. While you're thinking of what to do with that money, you can park your money here. Or for that matter, you can do your routine, lifestyle expenses, and whatever you do as your regular account, you can shift your regular account here. If your employer allows you, you can make your salary account here, or you could just basically have an account and do an automatic transfer through your phone. Whenever you have surplus funds, go park it there. If you've sold a property and you got some money from some other property and you're thinking of what to do, even for like 10 days, you can save a lot of money. So there are lots of ways and means by which you can actually use this account. If you get a bonus, for example, you can park the bonus here for a few days. And for the number of days that you park, you're saving a lot of money on interest. So there's a humongous amount of savings that you're doing. And if your loan is at 9.25% or 9.3, just as an example, then you are actually earning, what money saved is money earned, right? So you are actually earning that 925 or 935. And if you make that on a pre-tax basis, you're actually, technically speaking, earning more than 12%. So it's a very, very interesting sort of a proposition to have. If you all want to shift, maybe you can even think about, doing that shift, and then obviously keep monitoring your loan, see how it happens. If you are in a situation where you just are never left with any surplus, then this is not for you. So then don't even, endeavor to go to this place.
Kartik, I was just going to ask you this. You do have a lot of salaried employees who get bonuses.
That's right.
Typically people in sales get a lot of bonuses. People in marketing get a lot of this.
Correct.
So would you recommend it to only salaried employees like those, or should salaried employees just stay away from this product? Is this only for self-employed people, businessmen for that matter?
No, I mean, it's a myth that businessmen actually have, surplus funds. A lot of businessmen actually do business on an overdraft themselves. so, for them also it becomes irrelevant. No, but this product is for everybody who has a little bit of a surplus or who has the potential to have a surplus. So for salaried people, let's say they have a bonus. So when we do financial plans for people, a lot of times we tell people, okay, you have a bonus and whatever was the shortfall in whichever financial goal, let's plug that up. But then if the markets are high, which we think they are at the moment, and we are not ready to put the money into the stock market, what is the next best use of your money? Why don't you save lakhs of rupees of interest on your home loan? Just park it in this account till the time we make up our minds and actually decide to go to the stock market. Whether it's and we're not really trying to time the market, by the way, but we are just not ready to invest it. Maybe we are thinking, maybe we are planning for the next 2 months on what to do. you can use every single day to help you reduce your interest. So I think it's a great product. And the names of the banks who do this thing, which I'm very, very sure of, I know SBI does it, HSBC does this, Standard Chartered does this, Citibank does this. So most of the foreign banks, as you can see, do it. I think a couple of Indian banks have also recently started doing this. I'm not sure, but probably Axis Bank also does this. Then, maybe you can just investigate or go to some of these loan aggregators and you'll get a great insight into which other banks which are actually doing this.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.